Ever felt like managing your home service business was like herding cats? You've got appointments, invoices, payments, and a team to coordinate, all while trying to actually, do the work. It's a juggling act that can leave you feeling more like a stressed-out clown than a successful entrepreneur. Think about it. You're out on a job, ladder propped against a house, replacing some siding. Your phone buzzes. It's a customer asking about their invoice from last week. Then another call, a team member needs to know where the extra supplies are. And oh, there's an email from a potential client who wants a quote for a new project. All this while you're trying to focus on the task at hand. Sound familiar? The truth is, for many home service professionals, plumbers, electricians, landscapers, cleaners, and everyone in between, the administrative side of the business can be a massive headache. It's the paperwork, the scheduling, the communication, the sheer volume of details that can quickly overwhelm even the most organized individual. And in today's digital age, customers expect a seamless experience. They want instant quotes, easy online booking, and transparent communication. They want to know when you're arriving, what the job will cost, and have a simple way to pay. So, how do you deliver that level of service while also keeping your sanity? That's where apps like Jobber come in. They're designed to streamline your operations, automate tasks, and ultimately, give you back control of your business. But how does it actually work? What are the nuts and bolts of Jobber, and can it really make a difference? Let's dive in and find out. At its core, Jobber is a cloud-based software platform that helps home service businesses manage their day-to-day operations. It's designed to be an all-in-one solution, handling everything from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payments. Let's start with the customer experience. Imagine a potential client visits your website. If you've integrated Jobber's online booking feature, they can schedule an appointment directly from your site. They can select the service they need, choose a date and time, and even provide details about their project. This eliminates the back-and-forth phone calls and emails, saving you time and streamlining the booking process. Once an appointment is booked, it automatically appears on your Jobber calendar. You can view your schedule, see who's assigned to each job, and even track the location of your team members in real time. This is especially helpful for dispatching, allowing you to assign the closest technician to a job and optimize your routes. Jobber also simplifies quoting and estimating. You can create professional-looking quotes directly within the app, add line items for materials and labor, and even include photos or videos. Once the quote is ready, you can send it to the customer via email or text message. They can review the quote online and approve it with a single click. Now, let's talk about invoicing. Jobber makes it easy to generate invoices, track payments, and send reminders. You can create invoices from your mobile device while you're still on the job site and send them to customers instantly. Customers can pay online using a credit card or bank transfer, and Jobber automatically records the payment in your system. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors. One of the key features of Jobber is its client management system. You can store all of your customer information in one place, including contact details, job history, and notes. This allows you to provide personalized service and build stronger relationships with your clients. You can also use Jobber to send automated reminders for upcoming appointments or follow-up messages after a job is completed. Jobber also includes a robust reporting and analytics dashboard. You can track your sales, revenue, and expenses and identify areas where you can improve your business. You can also generate reports on your team's performance, allowing you to monitor productivity and identify training needs. Let's break down some of the specific modules and how they function together. First, the scheduling module. This is the heart of Jobber. It allows you to create and manage appointments, assign them to team members, and track their progress. You can view your schedule in a variety of ways, including a daily, weekly, or monthly view. You can also filter your schedule by team member, job type, or location. Next, the dispatching module. This feature helps you assign the right team member to the right job at the right time. You can view the location of your team members on a map and assign jobs based on their proximity to the customer. You can also send real-time updates to your team members, keeping them informed of any changes to their schedule. The quoting and estimating module is another critical component. It allows you to create professional-looking quotes and estimates quickly and easily. You can add line items for materials and labor, include photos or videos, and even create custom templates. Once the quote is ready, you can send it to the customer via email or text message. The invoicing and payment module simplifies the billing process. You can create invoices from your mobile device, send them to customers instantly, and accept online payments. Jobber also automatically records payments in your system, reducing the risk of errors. The client management module allows you to store all of your customer information in one place. You can track contact details, job history, and notes, and use this information to provide personalized service. You can also use Jobber to send automated reminders and follow-up messages. The reporting and analytics module provides valuable insights into your business performance. You can track sales, revenue, and expenses and identify areas for improvement. You can also generate reports on your team's performance, allowing you to monitor productivity and identify training needs. One of the biggest advantages of Jobber is its mobile app. It allows you to access all of Jobber's features from your smartphone or tablet, so you can manage your business on the go. You can create and manage appointments, send quotes and invoices, track payments, and communicate with customers, all from the palm of your hand. Jobber also integrates with a number of other popular business tools, such as QuickBooks Online, MailChimp, and Zapier. This allows you to connect Jobber with your existing workflows and automate even more tasks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.